Okay, so one of my lights went up. You can't see it on camera yet. One of my lights went out in the room that I record videos in. See, this is the old one. It went out. So I'm going to be replacing them. A brand sent me these nice new. These are actually a little bit flatter than these for whatever reason. But they're super easy to install, especially if you already have some installed and you're just replacing some. These are going to be super easy. So you can see it comes with, there's like 15 in this box or something like that. We're just going to be replacing one today. And I'll take the plastic off of this. So this is what it looks like. Now it's kind of dark in here because my lights are out. This is the box, and this is going to be the install part. And what you're going to be doing with this is pop this open. And you're going to be splicing these 3 wires into my existing wires up there. I'll show you guys in a little bit. But I'm going to pop out one of these sides here. And I'm going to splice these inside the box and stuff it back in. So just knock that out just like that. Put your old wires or your house wires into this hole. Splice them in with these guys right here, which I love these connectors because they're so easy to splice in. There's no tape needed, no crimping needed or anything like that with these splicers. You're just going to stick the wires in here. They're automatically connected. I love these things. Put them in my pocket for when we get up there. And go ahead and put this new light up here. And I'm going to switch the camera up there so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so you can see I have my house wires here. And we're going to be connecting this wire right here is going to be your neutral wire. This is going to be your ground wire. This is going to be your power wire. So the way we're going to do it is I'm going to get my other thing connected here. So you see I already have my connectors on this side. We are going to put these in here, and black is going to go with black. So you just got to stick them in there just like that. White is going to go with green because that is my neutral wire. And then red is going to go with white. We're going to hook this up just to make sure it works. As you can see, zoom out a little bit more. It works. So now we are going to, I'll just leave the lights on and finish the rest with the lights on. Okay, so you can see I got the light on, and there's a little switch on this box that's going to allow you to, as you can see, this is on now, and this little box right here is going to allow you to change all the different colors. So, see? So you get to choose the color that you want to put in here. I'm going to leave it about. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I just have this tape here so my insulation wasn't falling out anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and stuff this back in the box. And if you don't have your hole already cut like I did, it actually comes with a template that I'll show you guys here in a second that you can trace out the hole. Mine's not exactly round because mine didn't have a template whenever I installed it. But all you're going to do, trace out the hole, cut it, and then you're going to use these little guys here and fold them up and put them into the ceiling. And it's going to grab onto your sheetrock and hold it that way. Stuff this in here. Fold these up. Put that one right there. Fold this one up. Put it over here. See? Nice tight fit. This isn't going anywhere. See? Springs work really nice. And as long as you get the hole just right, it's not going to be going anywhere. And this is a lot more solid than the other ones that I have in here. These are kind of, if you hear it, you can hear just how much more solid these are. I really like these. So there you have it, guys. Like I said, super quick install, super easy install. You didn't have to cut the holes and wire them up. It didn't take that long whenever I did these originally. Probably a couple hours originally. And that install took me 5 minutes because they were already there. So that's how you're going to do it. And like I said, this is the little cutout that they send you. All you're gonna do is trace this on top of the ceiling, cut the hole, done. So we need some recessed LED lights. I'm telling you, these things are super solid. A lot more solid than my other ones that I have in here. I'll end up replacing all of these with this kind, I guarantee it. But that's it. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.